What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. What a beautiful day to learn Chinese from the song. Today's song is 披星戴月的想你 Miss You Under the Moon and the Stars, sung by Gao Wuren, accused Phi, and published in 2019. P, to drape something on one's shoulders. 星 stars. Dai, to wear something on one's head. 月 the moon. 披星戴月 to drape the stars on one's shoulders and wear the moon on one's head is a proverb meaning to work or travel through night and day. But here it just means under the moon and the stars. Before we start, it would be nice if you click the link in the description to listen to the song by yourself first. Anyway, let's get it rolling.
突如其来的美梦，是你离去时卷起的泡沫。
突如其来的美梦，是你离去时卷起的泡沫。突如其来 to be sudden and unexpected, to come all of a sudden. 美梦 sweet dream, beautiful dream. 离去 to leave. Blah blah 时 when blah blah blah. 卷起 to roll up. 泡沫 bubble foam. The beautiful dream that comes all of a sudden. It's just the bubble foam you roll up when you left. No matter how beautiful and sweet the dream is, it's just a dream that appears in a short period of time, like bubble foam. Bo, bo, bo. 踢着石头默默地走，公车从旁擦身而过。T to kick, 这 indicates its a status. 石头 stone, rock. 默默 silently. 走 to walk. 公车 bus. 从旁 is 从我旁边 for short. It means right next to me. 擦身而过means something passes by and it is so close which feels like it rubs my body softly. Kicking the stone and walking silently. The bus passes by me. 突如其来的念头，幻想化成流星的你我。念头 thought, idea, intention. 幻想 to fantasize. 化成 to transform into. 流星 shooting star. 你我 you and me. An idea comes into my mind all of a sudden that you and me are fantasizing about transforming into the shooting stars. 明亮的夜，漆黑的宇宙，通通来自夜空。明亮 to be bright, 夜 night, 漆黑 to be completely dark, 宇宙 universe. 通通 is a synonym of 都 meaning all of them. 来自 to come from, 夜空 the night sky. The bright night and the dark universe all come from the night sky.
我会披星戴月的想你，
我会披星戴月的想你。会 will 想 to miss. I will miss you under the moon and the stars.
我会奋不顾身的前进。
我会奋不顾身的前进。奋不顾身 is a proverb meaning to dash on bravely with no thought of personal safety. 前进 to move forward. I will move forward no matter what.
远方烟火越来越 的唏嘘。
远方烟火越来越唏嘘。远方 a far place. 烟火 smoke and fire 越来越 more and more. 唏嘘 means to sigh, and the fire looks like it sighs when it creates smoke. The smoke and fire far away sadly grow more and more.
凝视前方身后的距离。
凝视前方身后的距离。凝视 to gaze 前方 front ahead 身后 behind one's body whose body your body because you are standing in front of me 距离 distance I am gazing ahead at the distance behind you
顺其自然的借口像森林般围绕着你我
顺其自然的借口像森林般围绕着你我顺其自然 means to that the nature takes its course to that things go naturally 借口 excuse 像 blah blah 般 like blah 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 森林 forest 围绕 to surround 这 indicates it's a status An excuse of letting things go naturally is like a forest surrounding you and me. Maybe we love each other, but somehow we are afraid to get closer, so we let things go naturally. In the end, we are like in a forest and can't find a way out.
消极的笑着痛快的哭
消极的笑痛快的哭消极 to be negative to be passive 笑 to laugh 痛快 to be delighted 哭 to cry laugh negatively and cry delightedly the disordered emotion express what can we say and what can we do none
生命真的很难形容
生命真的很难形容生命 life 真的 really 很难 to be very hard to be very difficult 形容 to describe life is really hard to describe
顺其自然的回答
顺其自然的回答回答 to answer answer naturally but we haven't know what the question is it's in the following sentence
你要喝咖啡还是泡茶
你要喝咖啡还是泡茶泡 to soak 泡茶 to make tea Do you want to drink coffee or tea?
下班后你快乐的上哪
下班后你快乐的上哪下班 after work 快乐 to be happy 上哪 is same as 去哪 Where are you going? Where are you going happily after work?
少年呢？
我是真的不想回答
你想要坐无？
我是真的不想回答 I really don't want to answer 是 can be omitted but it emphasizes that the speaker really means it Here we should look at these four sentences together Even though I can answer those easy questions naturally but I just don't want to talk Well, hope you learned something today. As usual, you can see the highlighted words in the descriptions. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!